Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily make all your Facebook posts private in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone and then tap on your menu on the bottom right corner and then tap on the gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings. Now you'll have to scroll down, and right in the audience and visibility section you'll be able to find an option of profile and tagging. You'll have to tap on it. Now uh, you'll have to choose all of these to only me, and after changing all of these options to only me, all your Facebook profile posts will be hidden from others. Only you will be able to see your posts. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.